Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year. I wish each one of you, my viewers, my subscribers, a very prosperous and happy New Year. May this year brings all the joy, happiness, health, and wealth to you and your loving ones. Now, with that said, let's jump into our pre-market analysis. Now, yesterday, if you look at the Dow Jones closed at 300 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 212 points negative, and S&P 500 closed at 50 points negative. At the time of recording, the US 30 is showing a gap down opening of close to 300 points negative. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. On previous session, the FII, the foreign institutions, they sold close to 3,500 crores. Now domestic institutions, they bought close to staggering 6,000 crores. So big buying from local market. Now SDX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 60 points, so very positive start for our market. Now Asian markets are mostly flat to negative, and gold and silver both are under profit booking. The US to INR to US is now at 90 rupees. So now the little bit pump we see in INR. Now let's talk about our market. If you remember, yesterday we took a bold call. I clearly told you that market is very close to its bottom. And look at yesterday. Yesterday we saw a big rally in market, and market headed towards 26,129. So the closing was 26,129. Support is 26,000 now. The resistance is 26,300. But what's more surprising for me was, look at Bank Nifty. Yesterday the Bank Nifty closed above 60,000 on futures levels. Now the support is 59,500 and resistance is now 60,500. So yes, the Bank Nifty was stronger than Nifty, and mostly the private stocks was doing very good. Look at SBI, Canara Bank, all the stocks were doing fabulous. Now if I talk about stock specific, yesterday two stocks I gave you on the pre-market report. First was L&T Finance, which was up by 10% yesterday, and GMR Airports, which was up by 2% yesterday. So yes, L&T Finance was up by 10 rupees and GMR Airport up by 2%. So very positive. Yesterday I clearly told you these two stocks should be on your radar, and yesterday only we saw a fantastic move in L&T Finance and GMR Airport, both these stocks. So still I believe L&T Finance is heading towards 330 levels, GMR Airport is heading towards 115 levels. So yes, these stocks should be on your radar. And this rally what you saw yesterday in Nifty and Bank Nifty was clearly sponsored by pre-budget rally. Now the budget is on 1st of February. Country has a lot of hopes from our Indian government what the budget will be, and this budget will shape the future outlook of 2026. So yes, this rally was clearly been sponsored by budget expectations, people having huge expectations. Especially look at fertilizers and chemical stocks. They can even give very good move, just like how metals gave. Remember I gave you Hindalco around 815 810 levels. It is at 880 levels. So yes, this is the way to read a strong sectors and strong charts. So I believe the fertilizer and chemicals can do very good. So watch these stocks and watch these sectors very closely. So thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot. May you enjoy this year, and this year should bring a lot of love, happiness, health and wealth to you and your loving ones. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.